Hey guys, my name is Ariel McGuire. I have been training and fighting Muay Thai for about 6 years now. Today I want to talk about respect and what it means in Muay Thai. So we're going to start with the beginnings of Muay Thai because it looks a little bit different now in the modern climate with fighting and everything. Muay Thai actually came from very humble roots. You will see that a lot of gyms that are not commercial gyms in Thailand are very family oriented. Sometimes it's the father teaching the kids, or you have like a mother managing, you have a bunch of kids from the neighborhood. It's a little bit more intimate, if that makes sense. We also have to take a look at the fact that Thailand is a very Buddhist culture as well. So this also ties into respect. A lot of Thais, just in general, in their culture, are very respectful towards each other. So this also seeps into Muay Thai. When you bring all of this together, it's natural that within Muay Thai fights, stadiums, etc., you will see a lot of respect towards each other. Muay Thai is not seen as something where I want to rip your throat out. This is just business. So you go, you conduct your business, you play the sport, afterwards we shake hands, good game. Another aspect of this that I would like to point out is that everyone is in a small community. Muay Thai is a very small community. You don't want to burn bridges as well. When you're in a very small community, you have to work with each other. You have to work with each other for opportunities. Competition helps each other grow, etc. And you can see in your opponent yourself at the same time. You both had to work really hard to get there. You both want to earn money for your family. Again, back to the family roots. A lot of times, Muay Thai in the beginning was just making money for your family, so you can afford food and doing other things. So if you can recognize yourself in the other person, there really isn't a whole lot of room for shit talking, being rude, trying to kill them, that sort of thing. This is business. It's a small community. Respect is incredibly important. Then you also add the Buddhist background as well. People who are within this religion are also very, very respectful. For myself as well, I think it's really important not to underestimate or overestimate my opponent. I respect the game. I respect the fact that anything can happen. I'm not going to overestimate, oh wow, they've done this, they've done that, etc. Or, I got this in the bag, it's gonna be easy. Stay neutral. It's just respect. You respect the game, you respect the fight, you respect your opponent. That being said, it's not the same thing as being friends with your opponent. A friend is there for you when things go bad, or you get to hang out with, etc. My opponents are not my friends. I'm not there like, oh, let's be besties, let's get coffee. No, I respect the hard work they put in. I respect that they're going to challenge me now, and I'm going to try to challenge them, and I'm not going to leave any room for surprises. So it's a little bit different of a mentality, I guess. And the last aspect that I would like to point out is that we have this certain time period when we're fighting, right? This fighting career, if you're Thai, if you're a foreigner, it doesn't matter, it will be over eventually. And what kind of legacy or reputation will you carry with you afterwards? If you've burned all your bridges, you were talking negatively about your opponent, getting in their face, all of these things, and it's a very small community, what comes with you afterwards? Going to be a little lonely. Very small community. Everyone out here is trying to better themselves. It doesn't matter if you're a little Thai boy in Isan trying to make some money for your family versus somebody like me that flies from the United States to Thailand to try to pursue something that I love. We all have a reason that we're doing it. In my opinion, there is really no room for disrespect.